In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an unread folder in Outlook. This is a particularly handy feature for keeping track of all your unread emails in a single location, making your inbox management smoother and more efficient. To get started, open up your Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Once you've done that, you'll be directed right into Outlook's main interface where you can access all your emails. Now with your Outlook open, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of the screen where you'll find your folder list. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Folders. Hover your mouse over it and right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From these options, select Create New Folder. This is where you'll begin setting up your custom unread folder. A new folder will appear, typically with the default name highlighted and ready for you to enter the folder's new name. In this text box, type in Unread Mail. This will be the name of your new folder. After typing it, simply hit the Enter key to save the name you've chosen. Creating a folder alone is just the first part of our task. For this newly created Unread Mail folder to serve its purpose, it needs to be set to automatically group all your unread emails. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we won't cover this in detail today, but I highly recommend looking into Outlook's Search Folders option. This feature allows you to customize a variety of search criteria, including selecting only unread emails to be displayed in your new folder. Having all your unread emails in one place will significantly streamline your email management. No more sifting through your inbox trying to spot the unread messages. Everything will conveniently appear in this folder, allowing for a much more organized and efficient approach to tackling your workload. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to set up an unread folder in Outlook. By following these steps, you can maintain better control over your inbox and ensure that no important message gets overlooked. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital workspace.